Welcome to my tutorial. To stake Dogecoin on Bakeryswap, you have to buy Bake tokens too. It is 50-50. For example, if you want to buy Dogecoins for $50, you have to buy Bake tokens too for $50. First off, you need the Binance Chain Wallet Chrome extension and Metamask. If you are used to Binance Bridge, you can use that too. I have about 0.16 BNB tokens in my wallet on Binance. That's about $20 at the moment. Open your Binance Chain Wallet. To receive money, you have to click on Receive and copy that address. Paste it here. Now check again if you are on the right network. Not Binance Chain Network, but Binance Smart Chain Network. That is very important. Questions pop up, because if you copy the wrong address, your money could be gone. After you clicked on Submit, you have to verify your account. After that, you have to wait 3 to 4 minutes for the transaction to be completed. $0.16 BNB successfully received. Now you have to set up your Metamask with the Binance Smart Chain Network. Credentials and the link are in the description below. I already got Smart Chain, but I'll show you where you can add the network. Just copy the credentials in here and save. Now select your added Smart Chain network and copy your Metamask address by clicking on it. Go back to your Binance Chain Wallet and click on Send. Paste your Metamask address here. Now I sent all my BNB tokens to Metamask. Change back to Metamask to see your new balance. Now go back to Bakeryswap.org and connect your wallet with Metamask. Bakeryswap is now connected to your Metamask wallet. Here on the upper right corner you can see your BNB balance. To stake Dogecoin you have to stake 50-50 on Bake and Doge, like I said before. In my case $10 to Bake and 10 to Doge. When you do this the first time you have to pay $0.05 to approve Doge or Bake. I start with Dogecoin. So I take half of my BNB token, in my case 0.08 to Doge. Be careful, don't spend too much, because you need some BNB West to pay the fees. Here you can see your Dogecoin. Now you need Bake. I do the same procedure. $0.08 BNB to Bake. Now I have exactly $10 Bake and $10 Dogecoin. I go to earning to check the pool. It is Bake-Doge. So I go back to exchange, select pool and add liquidity. Input 1 is Bake, input 2 is Doge. Now I select max on both and click on supply. Now I got Bake-Doge pool tokens. I can go to earning now and stake my tokens. I already staked some tokens. Just click on the plus symbol to stake. Smack max and stake. Yeah, and that's it. The last thing I'll show you is how to remove your tokens from the pool. Unstake them first, then go to pool. If your BIP token isn't on the list like mine, you have to import it manually. Select here your input token number 1 and your input token number 2. This may take a while. Now you can go back and your BIP token are listed. Now click on remove and you get your token back to your wallet. I made a list of the fee costs in the description below. If I could help you with this, please like the video and consider subscribing.